And let's now show you Elaine Thompson-Herah, the double Olympic champion, in her Heat 1.
And they've been sent away. It was a very fast start for Kadisha Dallas, but here comes the double Olympic champion now, Elaine Thompson-Herah. Shakuria Wallace also running well. Look at Thompson-Herah march away now easily and shuts it down for 11.02 as the flash time for Elaine Thompson-Herah.
The wind positive 0.5 and the time 11.05, I believe, or 11.06. Natasha Morrison, a season best, 11.10. We're going to get the rest of the times correct because it was Shakuria Wallace who was in third. But look at this. Kiara Grant getting left in the blocks. Very strange, but look at this. Elaine Thompson-Herah relaxing. Her two former training mates from MVP in second and third. Crystal slowly up in fourth. There are going to be 4 heats, so let's get it. So Wallace at 11.21, third. So those 3 are through to the semifinals. The top 3 automatically.